Garrett Black grew up in Kansas, passionate about tornadoes and storm chasing. Today, he was flying through a Category 4 hurricane at 10,000 feet.
A little bit nerve-wracking at times when you're flying through weather, just because typically that's, what you avoid in an airplane.
This morning, Captain Garrett Black was on a flight like none you've ever been on, nor is he. And he's a U.S. Air Force hurricane hunter. NOAA has its own team, but one of 10 such Air Force meteorologists in the nation. The Hutchinson, Kansas native and KU grad left base in Biloxi, Mississippi about 1:30 this morning in a C-130 heading toward Hurricane Ian.
Are you flying over it? Are you flying through it?
We go out there and we gather the data and try to get, some of the missing puzzle pieces that say satellite and the models are having trouble picking up. And at that point, we deliver it to the National Hurricane Center.
Before Ian made catastrophic landfall this afternoon, this morning they flew through lightning and hail as they approached Ian's eye.
We knew that the storm was definitely going through some kind of strengthening phase. And then, as we continued to go through the storm, the turbulence became a bit more severe.
He says despite training, the 6 hours spent inside the hurricane was uncomfortable as some struggled with air sickness.
It was definitely probably the roughest ride I've experienced.
But they were able to collect valuable data about wind speeds at 10,000 feet and on the surface that helped Floridians know what they were in for and how the storm's direction was shifting to the south that may have saved lives.
And I'm sure tough to see that hurricane just offshore, knowing the devastation he was going to be watching unfold in Florida by the time he landed. But with Ian likely to head out to the Atlantic Friday and make landfall again in Georgia or the Carolinas, he's ready to go back into the storm if he's called upon.